we're back again for a little POV driving. We just hit 200 subscribers on the channel. That's pretty lit. Thank you guys. Thanks for all the guys that's been watching, liking, commenting. It really means a lot, guys. I did not think we would be able to get to 200 subscribers this fast. It's really good. I had to go get some gas. I can't take my gas tank down yet because this is my daily driver car and I need this to drive every day to work, so I haven't been able to drop the gas tank yet. She always scrapes here. Oh, waiting for the day I hit a big pothole. It's just gonna rip my whole cat back off. Because my mufflers are so low. You can barely fit a fist in between my mufflers and the ground. Beautiful colors of the trees and stuff, man. It's great driving in this weather. I love this weather. This road is always really hard to pull out. Piece of plywood in the road. I don't know what I ran over before that. It sounded like a stick or something. Hopefully that's all it was. This thing about driving, guys, you never know what's on the road, so you gotta be careful out there.
Damn, son, where'd you find this?
The old dude just staring. Fights you. It does not want you to go into gear, so you really gotta push it into gear. It's almost like it's locked out of every gear. That's just the way it is with this transmission, though. It's just so stiff. Every gear you shift into is like really stiff. Sailing on that one. You're a little fishtaily. Hey, when people get so close, like, bro, it is a red light. Why are you zooming up? Motherfuckers see the nice car and they're like, yo, let me rear end you real quick. first I'm hearing that. Brakes are squeaking like crazy. I was barely even touching them and they were like, squeaky, squeaky, squeaky. Old vet dude. Motherfucker's like 80 years old. Yeah, that's really unfortunate. The brakes are making noise like that. Man, I love this car. It drives so nice. You barely even have to touch anything. You barely have to touch the brakes and barely have to touch the gas for it to go. It's really nice about this car. The GTs I had, the 2002 Mustang GT and the 1999 Cobra I had, you had to really push on it, like gas and brake, to make it do anything. Like old school style. If you ever driven like a older like truck, like a early 2000s or 90s truck, you really got to press the brakes on them things to make them work. They're not like them new cars, you know. Newer cars, you barely even got to touch anything and it works. This car is kind of like that. You barely got to touch anything and they just work. The car sounds so solid. Besides my new brake sound I'm hearing. It sounds like the clips are just scratching the rotor, like the brake pads are low. Hopefully that's all it is. I don't really feel like doing brakes on this right now, but it's got to get done. Is going on here? Don't hit me, please. Jesus, that bus is blocking all the cars' view. This is so nice. Look at these trees. Beautiful drive today. Look at this dude in this red truck. Slippery there, boys. Just a little bit. I love when you lay on first and it just rips the tire off. This is like the perfect amount of power for this car. It's like almost 500. Sharp turn here. Woo. Rode over someone's shoe in the road. Someone left their friggin' shoe in the middle of the road back there.